Namaste children. I hope everybody are safe and fine at home. Good, very good. Super. Shall we start our EVS session now? Good. Okay, this is our class 1 Environmental Studies. The lesson is Others in My World. Others in My World. Super. Now shall we see the full recap of the lesson? Okay children. Good. In the previous session and all, we saw about the family. In family, we will be having all the family members like grandfather, sister, mother, father, brother, grandmother. Like this, we have the members in the family. Okay, children? Good. Then we have another members also like uncle, cousins, auntie. Good. Then we saw about the two families, that is joint family and nuclear family. In joint family we have more number of people. Okay. Then the chapters where you can go to the exercise. The page number 14, first exercise. Have you all completed this page also? Yes. Shall we recap all the pages, all the exercise now? Okay. Good. Now in this, see Pavan's family, this is Meghna's family, Pranav's family, Rakesh family. They told, look at the pictures given below. You have to tick which family is joint family and which one is nuclear family. You have to tick according to that. Good. See, tick the type of family Rakesh and his friends belong to. See, this is total. We have four number of families here. First one is Rakesh, Pavan, Meghna, Pranav. Like this, four family is there. See, first one is Rakesh family. Where is Rakesh family? Good. Rakesh family is totally we have only one, two, three. Three members. They belong to nuclear family. Super. Now second one is Pavan's family. See where is Pavan's family? Good. See Pavan, P-A-W-A-N, Pavan. See here also Pavan. In Pavan's family we have only one, two, three, four members. This is also nuclear family. Next Meghna's family. In this, five members. One, two, three, four, five. They are also belongs to nuclear family. See, last one is Pranab family. See, Pranab family, they have more number of people. The members are more. So, they belongs to joint family. Good. Have you all completed this page? Shall we go to the next one? Good. Now, here you have to draw a picture of your family and color it. You have to draw your family picture and you have to color it. You have to name the members, whether they are father, mother, uncle, brother, sister. You have to mark them. Okay. This is exercise 2.2. Then what family you live in, whether it's a nuclear family or a joint family, you have to write here. I live in a dash family, you have to write. Okay, Kana? Good. Next page. See in the next page, this is exercise 2.3. In this, you should ask your mother and father and your grandparents, I told. Yes. In this, find out if your parents lived in a nuclear family or a joint family during their childhood and fill in the blanks below. This is for mother. My mother was brought up in a dash family. This is for example we have given you. You have to ask your mother and you have to ask which family they belongs to, whether nuclear family or joint family. Next, the members in her family were. What are the family members? Who are the family members? You have to write father, mother and their children. This is for mother. Next, for father. My father was brought up in a nuclear family. He was also brought up in a nuclear family. The members in his family were like mother, father and their children. Same as it is. Next one, you have to ask your grandparents. Write the type of family that your grandparents were brought up in. What's the type of the family? Whether it's a joint or nuclear, they have to write. My mother's mother. Who is mother's mother? Grandmother. Super. My grandmother was brought up in a joint family. This is, for example, we have given. You have to write, ask your parents or ask your grandparents and you have to write. My mother's father. Who is mother's father? Grandmother. Super. Was brought up in a Joint family. Next, my mother's mother. Who is mother's mother? Grandmother. Super. Grew up in a nuclear family. Next, my father's father. Who is father's father? Grandfather. Super. Father's father is grandfather. You grew up in a joint family. See, this is for an example. You have to talk with your parents and ask them and write. Okay. Shall we go to the next one? Good. This is a sample letter for you all to write to your friend. Write a letter inviting a friend home to celebrate your favorite festival, or inviting your friend for your festival celebration. Describe how you celebrate the festival at home. How you are going to celebrate the festival at home, you are going to describe it here. First, you have to write the date. When you are going to post the letter, the date, at that date you have to write here. Next, dear, your friend name. Don't write your name, write your friend name. How are you all? You are asking him, how are they? Please come home on. You're going to call your friend, his or him. You have to, sorry, his or her, you're going to call him. On what day? This is for an example, Wednesday, to celebrate Pongal. Any festival, not only Pongal, you can write any festival with us. With you, they are going to celebrate. My family and relatives will be at home to celebrate the festival. They are also will be there. You are asking your friend to come to your home. Sweet pongal and laddu are the special dishes we make at home. You're going to say about your dish also. You will enjoy them. We can also have fun and lots of enjoyment. Like this, you're going to write a letter to your friend. At last, love, you have to write your name. You have to write your name because you're going to post a letter to your friend. So, here you have to write your name. Okay, children. Good. Next, see, you have to observe the map. You have to observe the map of Priya's neighborhood. This is Priya's neighborhood. This is neighborhood topics fully. See here, where is Priya's neighborhood? Where is Priya's house here? See here, this is Priya's house. Who are the neighbors of Priya? John, Raji, Ali, Niti. They four are the neighbors, and these are the neighborhood places like library, school, supermarket, play park, hospital. Like this, they are the neighborhood places. Like this, first you have to observe, then you have to fill in the blanks. What are the questions they have asked you? See, this is exercise. Next exercise, fill in the blanks with the help of the map. You have observed that map, no? With that, you have to write the answers here. First one is dash is Priya's neighbor. Who is Priya's neighbor? Who is next to Priya house? Yes, John. John is Priya's next house. So, John is Priya's neighbor. John. John is Priya's neighbor. Good. Second one is there are dash houses in Priya's neighborhood. How many houses are there near Priya's house? Yes, that is Raji, Ali, Niti and John. Totally 4 houses. Okay, good. Next is C. See, what are the names of the houses? Who's the children? You have to say John, Raji, Ali and Niti. Okay, next. You have to write their names. John, Raji, Ali and Niti live near Priya's house. Okay, good. Next one is there is a, what are the neighborhood places you have to write here? Library, school, hospital, supermarket, park. You have to write what are the neighborhood places. You have to write in the fill in this blanks. Okay, good. The school is on. Where is the school? It is on which street? RK Street. Super. You have to write RK in caps. Next, last one is Niti's house. Whose house is close to the library? Niti's house is close to the library. Super. Now, second question. Color the house that is next to the supermarket. You have to observe the map and you have to say which house is next to supermarket. Of course, whose house is there? Yeah, Neeti's house is there next to supermarket. Super. You have to color it. Color the house of Neeti's house colorfully. You have to color it. Okay, that is the task here. Okay, next page. Now here, draw and color the different buildings on your street and name them. You have to go outside and see all the what are the neighborhood places around your house. You have to see them and draw and color. You have to color it neatly and draw. And what are the neighborhood places? If it is a bank, railway station, police station, what and all is there, you have to see and draw. Okay, Kana? Good. Next is write one sentence. This is answer the following. Write one sentence on what you like about your neighborhood. You have to write about your neighborhood. Okay, what you like about them. I like to play with my neighborhood. This is my opinion. What are the opinions? If you want, you can write. I like to play with my neighborhood. Okay, next. Name the street or area your house is in. Which place you have to write. If it is Shakti Nagar, Ashok Nagar, Sendil Nagar, any Nagar or any street, you have to write here. This is for an example we have given Shakti Nagar or Ammapet. Next question. Name the street or area your school is in. Which school? Which area? That is Shanti Nagar or Chinna Tirupati. You have to write Shanti Nagar or Chinna Tirupati. Next question. Is your school in your neighborhood? Whether your school is close to your house? If it is yes, if it is close to your house, you can write yes. If it is far away, write no. Okay, good. Now write the names of at least two of your neighbors. You have to write your neighbor's name. What are the neighbor's name? You have to write here. Okay. This is you have to complete this full page. Okay, Kanna. Shall we go to the next one? Pass on to the next one. Good. Super. Now see this. In this, the children are going to their neighbor's house. Observe the pictures and discuss the day Sonali and Sundar had at their neighbor's house. See the Sundar and Sonali going to their neighbor's house. Then how they spend the time, they are going to say here. Yes, first the parents are saying you can go and live in the neighbor's house because they are going out. The parents are also, students are also asking, the Sona and Sonali is asking, shall we go to our neighbor's house? So the parents are taking Sonali and Sundar to the neighbor's house. They are leaving there. Then the parents are moving. Now the Sonali and Sundar was taken care by two of them. That is uncle and auntie. Ah yes, this auntie is giving delicious food, that is juice and all she is giving to the kids. This uncle, he is reading the storybooks and showing to the kids. Good. See how beautifully they are taking care of these children. Like this, you have to go to your neighbor. You can go to your neighbor's house, but with the knowledge of the parents. Without your knowledge of the parents, you should not go anywhere. Okay, Kana. Super. Next. See, now you are going to write a thank you card. See, saying thank you to that uncle and auntie. What is the name of this uncle and auntie? Ram uncle and Meena auntie. Ah, super. Now see here in exercise 2.9. Imagine you are a Sonali or her brother. Anyone or both of them are also can write. Draw a thank you card and write a thank you note to Ram uncle and Meena auntie for the help because they served juice and this Ram uncle was saying stories to this children, no. So they are giving a thank you card. Super. See here you have to write the date. Which date? On what date you are going to give the thank you card? You have to write the date. Dear Ram uncle and Meena auntie, we had a great time. Then full stop. Thank you for what you are going to thank, you have to write there. See for example we have given. See like this colorful brightly we can do anything. See thank you for being with us. They were along with them only, no? Yes, good. We liked your care and affection shown to us because they both were showing special care for them, no? Good. So they were thanking them. Thank you, Ram uncle and Meena auntie. So they are saying thank you. We had a lots of fun and enjoyed our day. Like this, who is saying now? Sonali is writing a letter to Ram uncle and Meena auntie. At last, you have to, with love, you can write your name because Sonali is writing the letter to uncle. So she is writing her name. Good. So she is writing her name. Super, Kana. Next. Next one. See the last exercise. Answer the following. Have you helped your friends or neighbors? Have you helped your friends or neighbors? Yes, I too helped my friends, ma. Yes, like this. If you have any experience, you can say. See, yes, I have helped my friends. They're asking you whether you have helped or not. Yes, I have helped my friends. Good. Second one. What did you do? What is the help you did to them? Good. See here, for example, this is my experience I have shared to you. Like this, you can also write your answers with the help of your parents. You can write the answers. Okay. See, second one, I gave my pencil for I gave my pencil for him, for to him, so not for him. I gave my pencil to him. You can strike off this far. I gave my pencil to him. Okay, children, I gave my pencil to him. When he was not having, I gave my pencil. You can strike out this far. Okay, good. Next, third one. How did you feel when you helped him? Yes, I feel very, very happy because my friend was not having pencil. I helped him. So I feel very, very happy. Like this, you can also help your friends. This is one way of helping. You can help in many ways. Okay. This is third question. Now fourth one. What did he or she or they do for you? What is help was done to you from them? Okay. When my snacks was spilled, he shared his snacks with me. Oh, see here, super, how fantastically they share their snacks. Like this, you can also share your snacks. Okay, but because of this corona, now we can't touch anybody. Be careful, okay? This is inside the classroom we are doing. When my snacks was spilled, he shared. Okay, like this, you can also share it. Next, last one. How did you feel when he helped you? Said, I too felt happy and I enjoyed with him. Good. Like this, you have to help your friends. You have to help your friends and old people, your grandfather, grandparents, and parents. You have to help everybody because you're all very smart kids and helpful kids. You have to help everybody. Okay, Kana? Good. This is a whole recap of the full lesson. You have to complete all the pages, write neatly and correctly. Okay, Kana? Good. Thank you.